Hello guys, this is Ron Tips. Today I show you how to change sheet color in Photoshop. Subscribe and give me a like if this video helps you, because your feedback helps me and show you how to do it. Alright, open Photoshop and import your photo in sheet. Alright. And click on left corner, quick selection tool, and click on right mouse and select quick selection tool. Alright, and select layer and zoom in and select sheet. Alright, click and select and zoom in, select. Alright, this now select and click on Option or Alt K button and click and fix bad moment. Alright. Alright, and click on Option or Alt, zoom out, and click on right corner, this, and scroll down and select gradient map. And click on to color and click on this and select your liked color. I'm select blue and select blue and click on OK, and click on normal, scroll down and select color. Alright, and that's all. Or select gradient map and select layer and click on right mouse and click on merge layers. Alright, that's all.